and welcome to Adarsh's kitchen. Today's dish is dim sums. I have a lot of friends who are vegan. So this video is for those dear friends of mine who are vegans, and this is vegan dim sums. And we will make two types of dim sums. One is with cauliflower, corn, carrot and walnuts, and the other dim sums are with the tofu and peanuts. So let's see how we make healthier, tastier, gluten-free. Yes, exactly, these are gluten-free. There is no maida or flour covering. There is no flour at all. There is no atta or maida. And we have in fact a very nutritious covering. So let's see how we make vegan, healthier dim sums. Little oil. One onion, 1 teaspoon ginger, saute for 3-4 minutes. So this is the tofu that we have. This is the firm variety, and I will crumble some part of it for the filling. To this I will add little salt, pepper. It's according to your taste, whatever taste you like. I'll add some cumin powder, little mango powder. To this I will add the tofu. If you like it spicy, I can add some paprika. These are my roasted peanuts and I crushed them a little thick. So I will add this for the crunchy taste. I purposely added the peels also because that will add to the fiber. So our one filling is ready. Add some coriander leaves for more fiber and taste. If you like, you can add some green chilies. It's optional. So this can be put aside, and now I will prepare for the second filling. We will now prepare the second filling, and here we have the cauliflower which has been grated in the processor. So to this I will add carrot, which I have cut in spiral way with a machine, but it doesn't matter. We can boil also and cut small dices. So these vegetables are almost done. To this I will add corn, which is boiled and crushed. So I also have some crushed walnuts. I'll add some coriander leaves, some salt and pepper according to your taste. Any other spices that you would like to add, you can add them here. So our two fillings are ready. This I will put in an open plate to make it cool down. Then I should fill this in the covering and put the momos for steaming. So for the dim sums, we will use cabbage leaves. So what we do is we put the whole cabbage into the boiling water and blanch it. But before we do that, we will snip off this portion. Completely, we will just take off this portion and let it loose into the boiling water and blanch for about 10 minutes. So I already have one cabbage here where I have put it in the boiling water for 10 minutes and the leaves are very well blanched. Now we will snip off these ribs also so that it is easy to roll and put them in the shape of momo. So like this we will take out all the leaves. So now in each of these leaves we will cut off these ribs so that it is easy to fold them. They become more foldable. It is always better to have a bigger cabbage so that you can have more stuffings and you can remove the ribs easily. Sometimes you can even cut them into two and make if the leaf is bigger. So let's start filling them up. I particularly like a good filling. So this seems to be good enough. And I will roll them like this. Doesn't it look like a good momo? And I'm going to pin it up at the base. So it has been pinned up very well. It is stable, and now I will put it in the steamer. So the next one, such a big filling, and I'm going to pin it up at the base. It's done. So the next one, this is tofu with peanuts. So I'll quickly put together the dipping sauce, that is the chili sweet sauce. Little water, about 50 ml. Just 4 ingredients: vinegar, soya sauce, sugar and chili oil. For sugar, I'm going to put my own substitute, stevia. So you can put any sugar that you like. So I can see the water is boiling. I will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons soya sauce. So I will add about 2 tablespoons of stevia. To know more about stevia, click on the link above. And last, in goes my chili oil. So this can be according to your taste, how chili you want it or how sweet you want it. So we are almost done. In 2 minutes this will become a little thick, and I like it in the flowing consistency. If you like garlic, you can put some garlic also in the beginning. Roast the garlic, then add water and everything else in that same order. So our vegan and gluten-free dim sums are ready. See how beautifully they are steaming. These ones are with cauliflower, carrot, corn and walnuts. And these below, they are tofu and peanuts. So now let's see how these taste. So our vegan dim sums are ready. These are the ones with corn, cauliflower, carrot and walnuts. And these are with tofu and peanuts. These are all steamed. However, if we like, we can also roast them on a non-stick pan over the gas, or put them in air fryer or in an oven, because the inner filling is made with oil, so there's no need to add any more oil. Or if you want to have it, you can add oil or butter. That is your personal choice. So let's time to taste these now.
Yes, I'm here right on time.
You're welcome.
So
You are on popular demand for tasting. Everybody wants to see you taste it, friends.
I love to do the tasting.
Good.
It's looking quite nice. And let me.
It's hot.
Ooh, steaming hot. Fresh from the steamer. Okay. Ooh. And here we go. Lovely. This is carrot and cauliflower.
That's right. Corn, carrot, cauliflower, and walnuts.
Yeah, I got a walnut as well.
It's nutty.
Very nice. Yeah. Can I try the other one as well? Tofu. Dip in sauce.
These are tofu and peanut.
I've never tasted such good tofu.
Such good momos.
No, I mean,
Dim sums.
dim sums are awesome, but I am not a great fan of tofu, but
Okay.
here I really like it.
That's great. So guys, try it out and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And meanwhile, please subscribe
Subscribe.
and like the video.